Hi, I'm Rod from Mattioni. We're here today for a heating tune-up. We do a full 40-point inspection and cleaning of the furnace. So we go through the whole sequence of operations. We make sure the furnace fires up and works properly. And then we go through all the safety features. So there's a decent amount of safety features that are built into a furnace, and obviously we want to make sure that those work for you and keep you nice and safe. We do a full cleaning of the whole burner assembly. So we remove everything, we clean it, we put it back in, we test it, make sure it turns back on. So these are your burners. This is what we really like to make sure is nice and clean. This furnace is only about a year old, and you can see there's already some rust starting to form on the burners. These burners I've seen come across maybe only 6 months, and they're fully covered in rust. So this is where predominantly most of the gas comes out of. A lot of times these will clog up. Only one of the burners will light, none of the others. That flame sensor doesn't sense flame, and then it shuts your furnace down. And then we check and go over all the gas pressures and make sure there's no leaks or anything like that. So that way we know that when we leave, you guys are nice and safe, and the system's gonna run all through winter. Heating tune-ups are actually very important. There's the safety aspect side of it. We wanna make sure, and we go over the whole heat exchanger, make sure there's no breaches or anything in there. Because if there are, you run the risk of that exhaust gas mixing with the air that you guys are breathing in your home, which we don't want. But then besides that, there's the efficiency aspect of it. We want to make sure that your heating system is running as efficiently as possible for money reasons and also longevity reasons. A nice, properly cleaned and running furnace is going to last a long time. Tuning up your system doesn't have to just be done on an old furnace. It's actually good if you even have new equipment to have it routinely maintained. One, to keep up with your warranties, and two, just to ensure that nothing pops up. Once that tune-up is done and we leave the house, we guarantee that that system is going to run for the rest of the heating season. If anything pops up, give us a call and we'll take care of you guys.